Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canva Pro for AI design automation pipelines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Canva website at canva.com. Log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once logged in, look for the pricing option on the home page. Click on Pricing to view the subscription plans. Scroll down to find the Canva Pro plan details. Review the features included in Canva Pro, focusing on AI design automation. Click on the Try Pro or Get Started button. You may be prompted to choose a payment method. Select the payment method that suits you best. Enter your payment details as required. If applicable, apply any promo codes in the designated field. After subscribing, you will receive a confirmation message. Explore the Canva Pro interface, starting with the AI design automation tools. Begin creating your automated design pipeline using the new features. Follow the on-screen tutorials to familiarize yourself with the tools. Utilize the templates available to automate your design projects efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.